My name's Michelle, and this poem is entitled The Puppet Strings. I have hundreds more if you like this one. Brave in the face of rejection, we pretend not to feel the sting, categorized by skin complexion while fear pulls the puppet strings. Straight women judge women who choose a female lover. How many of these women are angry to learn that they have a gay brother? Interracial couples in love, racism has no limit, bringing children into the world, lost innocence is infinite. HIV, diabetes, hepatitis, cancer, there is a cure. Love is the answer. Knowledge is power, courage comes from within. Love can cut the puppet strings. When we stand together, we win. It's easy to assume when we don't have the story. Charging in with our own set of scales, mindset on faded glory. I'm a 2-time ex-con. They tried to kill my dreams, treated me like an animal, thought they could silence my screams. They kept me from most anything that made me feel alive. I drew strength from my anger. In that, I chose to thrive. People change when they change their minds. We're dead to the world when we choose to be blind. See the whole story looking through the eyes of love. Put an end to faded glory. Only God can judge. If you like this, I have hundreds more. Check them out.